so pretty. I did not see this coming. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I bet. So we're gonna start with our eyebrows just by simply brushing them up. And I'm using a spoolie brush from the MAC collection, and basically just find a mascara brush, yeah. And then from there we're gonna take this Kylie pencil, eyebrow pencil, anything really, just to line your eyebrows and put some flesh and meat into it, you know what I'm saying? Okay, oh yep. And you're just gonna fill it in, perfect. And then we're just gonna brush over it, you know, because you gotta brush over it. I mean, hello, put it in shape. Then boom, we're gonna use the signature powder, translucent powder, to set your eyebrows so that, you know, they don't become too oily and they become a little natural than they should look. And yeah, just dust it off and boom, you got yourself the Pro Concealer from LA Girl. Yes, to clean, okay, clean those eyebrows so that they can pop and they can be straightened out, so that they can be shaped nicely like that. And just fill your whole eyelid with concealer and blend it. Boom, boom. I'm using the Kylie Beauty Blender. Oh my gosh. Yes, the Beauty Blender, and we just blend it. Then bam, more powder, I guess, more powder. And I'm using the MAC brush to just powder that baby right out so that we can set it for our eyeshadow. And I'm using the Kiss Beauty Seed and Touch blush. It's a blush, I know, right? But it's perfect. I mean, look at my eyes, they're popping out that little pink nude shade. And we're just gonna put it out on the crease, and then boom, more powder. Lots and lots of powder. But yes, we're just gonna blend that out right under our eyebrow, and boom, we're gonna use that brownish color. I guess it's a brownish color, yeah, brownish color, to, you know, heighten our eye look. And we're just gonna put it on the outer side of our eyes, and we're just gonna keep making like swifty moves of like a cat eye shape. And then boom, more powder. No, actually that's not powder. That's white eyeshadow, and it's matte. It's from the same Miss Doozy palette I used with the brown shade as well. So yeah, just brush it over. Yeah. No, get in there. Then boom, more concealer from LA Girl, of course. I mean, we're gonna clean again. We are scrubbing, we are fraving. Just to cut that, it's not a crease, yeah, just to cut your ends, you know what I mean? Yeah. Then we go in with our liquid foundation from Signature, and of course our Pro Concealer to hide some of those dark marks, because yikes, been going through the most. So yeah, anyway, yeah, put that on and blend it. Oh my gosh, I feel like there's so much blending. Then there's that light shade. That's more concealer, guys, more concealer, 2 shades lighter at least. And I am blending it out so that I can highlight my chin, I think. What am I doing? Yeah, I am, but this is taking awfully long. Just blend it on your chin, on your upper lip, on your cheeks, on your forehead, on your nose, yes, and put the darker shades, of course, on your jawline, on your cheekbone, jawline, cheek line. Yeah, that, and just blend it, of course. Ooh, I put a lot of that. I look white. Nah, fam. Powder, boom. Not anymore. Anyway, so I'm using a blush, the same one actually, by Kiss Beauty, and I'm just going over it over my contour. Bang, bam, bam. Look at those cheekbones, they are sharp, like they go deep right in there, like bam, honey. Do you see those? Yeah, just blend it out and boom, boom, bam, honey. Ooh, Yes. Then I'm gonna go in with the LA Nudes palette by LA Girl. Yeah, just swoop that little pink shimmer and right under my my eyebrow, so that y'all can see clearly. Boom, just going there with my eyeshadow from eyeshadow brush from Clinique. Anyway, then yeah, there you have it. Just add some lashes, pop in some cat eyes. I'll probably leave in the description of where I got these products, and yeah, pucker those lips up with a nude lipstick. Yeah, that. Thanks for watching.